Hey student, today we are going to discuss relation function part 2, where we are going to learn the definition of relation, how can we represent a relation, range, domain, codomain of a relation, and type of relation. So first we should know what is relation. So relation, which may be defined as, let A and B be two sets then a relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. So to understand this, let's take an example. Let a set A is equal to 1 and 2 element, having a 1 and 2 element. Set B have 2, 3, 4 element. After that we write their cross product, so we get 1 2 order pair, 1 3 order pair, 1 4 order pair, 2 2 order pair, 2 3 order pair, and 2 4 order pair. So here definition says R is a relation from A to B which is a subset of A cross B. Means R is a set which is consist of order pair. The number of order pair must be equal to or less than the cross product of A and B. Okay, so it should be subset of A cross B. It is a set which has less than or equal to the number of order pair that A cross B have. Okay. After that, a representation of a relation it is generally denoted by R. Okay, let's consider example set A having element 1 2 3 4, set B having element 1 2 3 4 9. Okay, here a relation defined from A to B are here 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 4 and 3 is related to 9. So we may write R is a relation from A to B in set builder form we may write R is a set of all order pair such that A is a element of A and B is a element of B in which A square is equal to B. Okay, A square is equal to B. In set roster form we may write R is a set of all order pair 1 1 1 2 4 and 3 9. Here 1 is a element of set A and 1 is a element of set B. 2 is a element of set A, 4 is a element of set B. A B A B A B. These are related by this rule, means A square is equal to B, 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9. Okay, here we may write 1 1 order pair like that, that is 1 is related with 1 2 4, 2 is related with 4, 3 9, 3 is related with 9. Mathematically we may like that 1 related with 1, 2 related with 4, 3 related with 9. Okay, after that the most important concept we have to learn, that is in general if AB is a order pair, then B always forming image, A always pre-image. Okay, example 2 4, here 2 is image and 4 is image and 2 is pre-image. Domain of a relation. It is the set of all pre-images. Here domain is equal to one, 2 and 3. Range of a relation. It is the set of all images. Here range of the relation equal to 1, 4 and 9. Domain of a relation equal to set of all element of B. Here codomain equal to set B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. There is an important point you should remember, that is range always less than equal to codomain. Okay. After that, if a set or if the number of element of a set A equal to P and number of element of set B is equal to Q, then we know that number of element of A cross B is equal to P into Q. So the total number of relation that can be defined from A to B equal to 2 to the power P into Q. This is most important concept, you have to remember it. Okay.